Video we are discuss what is a Section 8 company. Popularly known as Section 8 company is a company registered with charitable objects such as the promotion of arts, commerce, science, education, sports, protection of a environmental, region charity, etc. By promoting it is a not for profit organization. The act does not bar the company from profit creation but rather prohibits distributing profits among members. This says that all the income or profit from any activity of the company must be utilized toward charitable purpose for which it registered. The charitable company is registered under Section 8 of the Companies Act 2013, which provides its special status due to its objects compared to other type of companies. Section 8 company enjoy various exemptions and relaxations. Benefits of incorporation of Section 8 company. Tax and compliance exemption. With its registered under Section 8 of Companies Act, it obtained a special status distinct from other entities. Not only the company enjoyed tax exemption, but also the donor can claim an exemption for the donation made under income tax. Apart from tax exemption, the company is also exempted from the applicability of many compliance related provision. Separate legal entity. Being registered as a company, it obtains a separate identity apart from its member. Therefore, it can own and hold the assets and liability in its own name, irrespective of the connections with the members. The change in members or the directors neither affects its essence of the assets and liability or rights and obligations. Limited liability. A company registered under Section 8 ensures limited liability to its members. The liability of the members is limited only to extent of the capitals subscribed and unpaid. The losses of and obligations do not create a charge over the person, properties of member or directors. This helps the promoters to freely run the non-profit organization. No corporate title. Also, the company enjoy the benefits of the corporate entity. It is not liable as the corporate entity. The company does not need to add the suffix private limited or limited after its name. This exemption is provided so that third parties offer their attentions to the company's purpose and not its status, assuming it is profit-making organization. What is the document required for the formation of charitable company? Photograph, PAN card, identity proof, address proof, business address proof, and NOC form owners and rent agreement, statement of income and expenditure. Thank you. Have a nice day.